Welcome to our TMHNU Nada Sasoi Public School, Ananji Post, Vadabudubatti, Theni. Our school is affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education and our school affiliation number is 1930940. Our school is located at the foot of astonished surroundings, abundant air, mammoth buildings, at the topmost point of a mountain over the green field. Our school is the resemblance of paradise with lure, absence of noise environment, with the benediction of Almighty. Only with the support of our Uravin Murai, we are lending this education to the students. Here, you all can see the entire view of our school with well-built boundary wall on all the sides. Parking area is separated for all two-wheelers and four-wheelers for the beneficiary of the parents and for the outsiders. Here you can see the herbal plants which we have planted to bring the awareness for our students based on the traditional medicines. This is our school assembly area. Here, the students used to exhibit their talents by comparing and other activities like storytelling, proverb narration, and extracurricular activities done during that last week. This is our school outdoor play area. We are training our children on the following sports like Coco, Tennis, throw ball, volleyball, long jump, and basketball. Practice for these sports activities have been given to students in a regular basis. We have a special trainer for each sports. We motivate our children to participate in CBSE cluster conducted at the last academic year. Grade 4 to grade 10 students were trained physically by our outdoor games. Students enjoyed this time and physically trained to participate in the following games. Composite laboratory combines elements of all the physics, chemistry, and biology laboratory in one single room. Our school has well-equipped composites lab. This laboratory is well-equipped to conduct experiments as per the syllabi of CBSE. Laboratories are the most important infrastructure of an education institution. Yes, our school has got a lab to enable the practical knowledge of students and also provides an atmosphere of experiencing and learning science. Now we are in the biology lab. Observations and experiments make learning more interesting and fun. Yes, our school biology lab is well equipped with preserved specimens, slides, models, and biovisual charts which emphasize on developing scientific temper among the students. As per NCERT norms for the upgradation of senior secondary level, we equipped our lab with enough equipments. Towards the view of students' future, we are training the students based on the practical knowledge in our lab. This is a view of a bioscience lab in our school. Experiments are designed to critically engage students' minds, so they acquire the manual and mental skills associated with learning physics. Lab activities are an integral part of the learning process to enable students to gain a comprehensive understanding of the concepts and principles of physics. Our school has a well-equipped physics lab. This laboratory is well-equipped to conduct experiments as per the syllabi of NCERT. This is a view of a physics lab specially built for the senior secondary children of grade 11 and 12. This is our school chemistry lab. This laboratory has all the necessary equipment for preparation of samples and standards of various analysis of liquid and solid samples. We are maintaining the lab by thorough cleaning with the proper materials, regular calibration of equipment, record keeping and testing of processing equipments. As per the norms of our CBSE syllabi, our lab is full equipped with needed materials. As we are in the process of CBSE affiliation for senior secondary, we have built this lab with the needed equipment for the senior secondary. This is a view of our school computer science lab, and it is specially meant for the children from grade 1 to 12. We are implementing the courses that is tie-up with Bharatdasan University from grade 5 to 8. And apart from robotics, we have signed the SUITS program in Bharatdasan University, and we are training the children to complete the courses. We have more than 25 numbers of PCs and well-equipped systems to make the children to have a growth in computer science. Mathematics laboratory is a place where anybody can experiment and explore patterns and ideas. It is a place where one can find a collection of games, puzzles, and other teaching and learning material. The materials are meant to be used both by the students on their own and with their teacher to explore the world of mathematics. Weekly twice, our teachers giving training to learn the concept easily. This lab belongs to the grade 1 to 10. Robotics is a part of engineering and science. It has to do with the creation and building of robots as well as computer programming. Robot is a machine that does tasks without the help of a person, which can be programmable. It's a fun way for kids to learn robotic concepts by letting them make their own robots using motors and sensors. In our school, we have 2 levels which helps the students to move towards knowledge improvement. In first level, they will work with LED, capacitor and motor to make simple robot. If a robot is having sensor to detect object which will take decision to move or stop. This is a view of our school robotic lab. We all know that the Montessori method of education developed by Italian physician Maria Montessori is a child-centered educational approach. It is based on scientific observations of children. In our school, to improve the motor skills of the student, we created a Montessori lab with numerous materials. Students from nursery to primary section were benefited through this lab. They used to spend the time in an enthusiastic manner in this lab. This is the view of our school Montessori lab. A language lab is a dedicated space for foreign language learning where students assess audio or audio-visual materials. They allow a teacher to listen to and manage students' audio, which is delivered to individual students through headset or in isolated sound booths. Linguistics labs were common in schools, universities. In our school, we enhanced the linguistic lab. It is very helpful for the students' learning capacity. Students are influenced through LSRW skills. A school library is a library within a school where students, staff, and often non-teaching can also acquire knowledge. In our school, we have a spacious library around 1700 books. We have separated the library into the sections like reference, department of all department wise like English, Tamil, Hindi, Science, Social, Math, General Knowledge, and other creative ideas. And we are providing the magazines weekly wise, monthly wise to improve the knowledge of the students. We have allotted a separate period for the library from grade 1 to 9 students. We used to lend the books to the students as well as to the teachers to enrich their knowledge in their home itself. This is a view of a school library. Now we are in the class of nursery. This is nursery garden, and to catch the children's attention and to make the children to enjoy the curriculum, we have painted the classroom in a thematic manner. For example, the themes based on aquarium, transport and zoo. And this classroom is also very spacious and with a good ventilation. We have designed the furnitures. Each student's notebooks has been separated and kept in a separate cupboard to keep it in a safety manner. Each classroom has been fulfilled with playthings and Montessori things. This is the view of our school nursery. Now we are in the classroom of grade 3. It belongs to the primary section. Our classroom is very spacious and with good ventilation. It helps the students for the good environment. According to their age, we have designed the furnitures. And each student has a separate cupboard to utilize their notebooks for the safety things. And in our school, each classroom is fulfilled with fans and needed light. This is a view of grade 3 in our school. This classroom belongs to the grade 6. This classroom is very spacious and with good ventilation. According to the age group of the students, we have designed the furnitures and the equipments of each classes. Each student has a separate cupboard to utilize their notebooks and keep their notebooks in a safety manner. Each classroom is fulfilled with fans and needed lights for the benefits of the students. This is a view of a grade 6 in our school. This is the new built classrooms for the senior secondary classes. We have 6 vacant classrooms with the well furnished furnitures. For the welfare of the students, we have allocated the separate cupboard for their use. Like the other classes, this classroom also located in a ventilated area. Like the same, we have 6 vacant classrooms which we have applied for senior secondary.